Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, where everything we cook in cast iron is so much better. Got my fire going here, got a 12-inch cast iron skillet, got a little bit of bacon grease in there, and we got some old fatty ribeyes today that we're going to cook, but I want to put on a little bit of this Uncle Steve's thick meat shake on, so we're going to give that a try, let you guys know how this kind of turns out here. So we're just going to kind of generously shake this on these steaks here and put a little bit on that side, a little bit on this side here. Woo-wee, look at that, man, oh man. So let's go ahead and lay one of them dudes in there. Shake a little more on there. Yeah, we're gonna give this Uncle Steve's meat, thick meat rub a try here and see. I've tasted it, boy, it's got a good flavor to it. I love it. So we're gonna give that a try. Hey, we're gonna let these cook up here for a few minutes and we'll be right back and show you what these look like. Well, okay, here we are. We about got them cooked up. These are mine. I've been letting rest for a little while. I want you to take a look at that now. That's some good looking ribeyes right there. Got Teresa's going on here. Got to cook hers a little longer than mine because she likes hers just a stage above shoe leather, but I like mine about medium, and that's about what this is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this and show you what this steak looks like. Right there. That's about medium for me. Wow. Meat tea by Uncle Steve's Shake. Man, that's got a good flavor to it. Wow. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Take a look at those ribeyes, man. Really more or less almost like a New York strip with the bone in it. They've done cut the fillet out of it, but anyway, there you have it, folks. There's a good old ribeye steak on New Year, or not New Year's, but Super Bowl Sunday. I just wanted to cook this up and give this old Uncle Steve's Shake a try, man. This is pretty good. And oh boy, I'll tell you what, I'm really excited about that. It's kind of like old Phil Collins says, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. We'll see y'all. Have a good day.